Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are making kimchi. If you don't know what kimchi is, it is an Asian dish. It's fermented cabbage. It's so delicious, and this is my first time making it, so I wanted to try it out and show you guys. So you're going to start with some Napa cabbage, and you want to cut it in half lengthwise. However, I just purchased a half of a head of Napa cabbage, and you want to put it in some cold water with some salt. Kosher salt is better. I'm using table salt because that's what I had, but kosher salt would actually be better. This method is similar to the method called brining, which is where you let your whatever you're brining, whether it be meat or in this case cabbage, sit in salt water. Sometimes sugar is used. And it's going to help soften up this cabbage and get the fermented process going. So you want to pull the leaves back and make sure that you get salt in between each leaf. Just pull the leaves without breaking the cabbage up. And after you've massaged it in, you're going to cover it and weigh it down so that it soaks in the salt water mixture for 2 hours. So after the 2 hours, you're going to drain and rinse off. Make sure you pull the leaves back again. You want to rinse a majority of that salt off so your kimchi is not very salty. I'm going to let that hang out while I prepare the rest. So I have some green peppers, some red onions, some chopped garlic, chopped ginger, cilantro, radishes, jalapeños, and scallions. I also have sugar, chili powder, and fish sauce. So I am going to add the sugar, the fish sauce, the chili powder, the garlic, and the ginger to my little blender here and mix it up to form a paste. You are supposed to use an actual Korean chili powder, but I could not get my hands on one, so I just used regular chili powder. Um, it actually helps the kimchi get that red color if you use the suggested chili powder. But I'm just going to add my mixture as well as my vegetables to a bowl and toss it all around and make sure I get the paste all over the vegetables and in between the leaves again. So I'm also adding some gochujang to this, and gochujang is like a Korean barbecue sauce. It is spicy, and I was really trying to get that red color, so that's why I added it to there. And then I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. This is a glass bowl with an airtight lid. I let that sit for 2 days, and then I transferred it to a smaller glass square container that you see with the airtight lid. I let that sit for 2 days for it to get soft, and then I transferred it to mason jars. And you want to let this ferment for a week in the refrigerator. Make sure that you guys check the description box below for the recipe and the ingredients that were used, and make sure to leave me some comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.